How to fix won't send text messages in Moto G Stylus. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear messages cache. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search messages app. Now click on messages app. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting, open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix won't send text messages in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.